Okay, so we're bringing our cue from here, and we're bringing it. Look for his top lip to come up. He knows we have a cookie. So he wants it, there we go, good boy. He wants us to put it under his mouth, so when we bring that cue here, we bring it to his lips and then bring it up. Bring it to his lips and bring it up. Again, he's not too treat motivated, and still we're gonna get a pretty good smile out of him, but we have to kind of coax him into it. Very quickly, just with repetition, this is only session number 2, and now he's accepting cookies from us, and he's looking for it. The other thing, if you have a horse that's not very cookie motivated, you may have to go through different things. Maybe some alfalfa pellets, maybe some sweet feed. It doesn't matter what it is. We're just looking for something with positive reinforcement so we can get our horse to get a behavior that we're patterning.